Hi guys, tara samahan niyo po kami sa aming quick travel sa isa sa famous tourist destination sa Caribbean.
We're going to find Punta Cana.
Wow!
We're going in.
Then after 5 hours flight from Toronto, we finally arrived here in Punta Cana. At dito pa lang po sa PUJ Airport, nagkita-kita na po kami ng ating mga kaibigan. Yan po si Ate May na galing pong Prince Edward Island at si Betchay Anan galing ng Ottawa. Kasama niya rin po ang kanyang anak. O diba, ang saya lang diba? So after the immigration process, we went to claim our baggage. Actually, maliit lang po itong airport ng Punta Cana. So hindi po kayo dito maliligaw. Madali lang po siyang i-navigate. And here is Ate Brenda and her friends who joined us also in our vacation. Hey, we're going on our resort now.
First na nakita ko, malinis ang
It's raining but it's fine.
Maganda yung pagkagawa. Brisko. Brisko.
So, bali 30 minutes din po ang biyahe namin mula airport hanggang doon po sa resort. We booked Iberostar Selection Barbaro and stayed at the Coral level. Finally here at the reception. Ride to the golf cart going to our room. Sa sobrang laki po ng resort na to, golf carts are provided to help you navigate. May storm warning na ng first day namin at lahat na nga kami ay halos dismayado na. But of course, we don't let that ruin our vacation. Ang mahal kaya ng binayad namin. At dahil November 1st, we didn't expect na may pa-Halloween party din po ang resort. Ayan po, they decorated everything. They have them in costumes. All the food are decorated with Halloween theme. And since we are staying in all-inclusive resort, all-inclusive means all the meals that you will have are all included to the price that you paid. At sa sobrang dami ng food, malilito ka talaga kung anong una mong kakainin. Mukbang ang labanan dito guys. Good morning Punta Cana! Finally, after the storm yesterday, the sun is out. Now everybody is excited, taking pictures and videos. Look at this beautiful place and the beautiful weather.
Hola, buenos dias.
Wala kayo. Dapat DJ tayo ate, di ba?
Ay, okay, Jayden, you have to hold.
Kailangan, di ba ate?
Huli mo lang nakita. Ngayon mo lang nakita. Mamaya, marami yan. Marami yan. Ayan.
This is so fun.
Let's have a breakfast muna dito sa El Faro bago po natin puntahan yung beach na napakaganda. This is all-inclusive again. What you gonna have on breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks, and drinks, it's all included to what you pay. At dito na nga kami sa labas pumuesto kasi nga naman ang ganda ng view. Ayan, tingnan ninyo, diba? Beachfront restaurant kasi ito, kaya masarap dito kumain. And here's my Jayden enjoying his breakfast.
Magbe-breakfast daw sila kasi. Ikaw na muna.
At tara na sa beach dahil kanina pang super excited si Jayden. Here is the beachfront pool, but only Coral level guests can have access on it. And they have also entertainment here, and you can have Zumba. Of course, me and my Ate May joined them. Diba? Papakabog ba tayo dyan? Then after that guys, nag-decide na po kami na bumalik muna sa room para magpalit. Napag-usapan po kasi namin lahat ng white outfit para sa photoshoot namin mamaya. finally, nandito na si Kuya na hindi nakasabay sa flight namin kasi hindi siya pinayagan sa work. Ayan na po guys, naglakad-lakad na po kami sa may beach. Ang sarap lang po ng pakaramdam ng ganito. Super nakaka-relax, di po ba?
Saan banda ang pool?
Living our best life here in Punta Cana.
Doon tayo sa ibabaw na. Doon tayo sa ibabaw.
Ang ganda. You can relax and drink and swim at the same time. At ito na nga si Kuya bartender na sobrang inspired yata ngayon. Sino ba naman ang hindi ma-inspired sa beauty ni Ate May? Ayan o, diba? At ito na po yung summer breeze cocktail ko guys. Sobrang napakasarap niya. Cheers guys! Ang sarap ano? There's another pool connected to the swim up pool bar. At dahil may batang nangungulit, samahan muna natin siyang mag-swimming.
Starfish. Okay, ready?
Ready? Okay, set, go! Wow! Look at that! Oops! Oops! And he's coming here! Oh, look good! On our second day, we tried the buggy adventure. This buggy adventure includes hotel pickup and hotel drop-off. We paid $50 per person and the child is free. So now let's go and discover the Dominican countryside. In this tour, you will see Dominican farms and the water cave, and also local tasting of their organic products like coffee and tea. It's about 30 minutes to travel going to their buggy ranch. Nakaka-enjoy naman mag-sightseeing dito guys. Para ka lang nasa Pilipinas, diba? Para ka lang nasa jeep. At ayan na nga, andito na po kami. We have to cover our face to protect it from moths. Yeah,
We're doing the boogie adventure. It's so much fun.
the rough road is very challenging to drive, but that's what makes it fun. We had so much fun at hindi namin namalayan na nawala na po kami sa aming mga kasama. Ang ending, naligaw po kami. And finally, we are here. Tanghaling tapat na nang kami makarating dito. Sobrang nakaka-sunburn na po yung araw. Kumusta naman kaya mga skin namin nito? And here we were greeted by the friendly locals.
No, English. Canada. No, yeah, first time. Yeah. 45 feet? No? I don't know how to swim. Yeah. Jennifer.
At ito na guys, papunta na po kami sa water cave.
Okay. Okay, yeah. See. Okay.
Wait, ma. Wait. Video. Hey. Oh, shit. Yo, chill.
Ayan. At ayan po si Jaden. Oh, hindi siya takot sa iguana. Bravo naman ang baby ko na yan.
Picture mo kami yan. Let's see.
Yan. Go, go, anak. Go, go. Toy, tingin ka ha. Yes, ready?
Ang ending, si Kuya lang ang tumalon sa water cave dahil siya lang naman po ang marunong lumangoy sa aming lahat. Yan lang po yung aming mini buggy tour. Ito na nga, uwian na po guys. At sigurado madami na naman kaming makakain nito dahil gutom na gutom po kami. And to sum it all, it was a great experience. Pagkagaling namin ng Baguio Adventure, nag-quick bihis nga lang kami dahil ang putik nga namin at nag-decide na kaming kumain dito sa may main buffet area ng lunch. Let's take a look of what food they have today. Ay, ang dami nito, nakakagutom. Ayan guys, food tour kung anong meron dito sa buffet nila. Meron nga palang 12 na restaurant itong resort na to. Pero yung ibang restaurant, first come first serve basis. So you have to be there early.
Girl, may saging dun. Minatamis.
At nung dinner time guys, nag-try kami dito sa La Dorada Greek Restaurant. Meron din ditong Japanese restaurant but this one needs reservation. Halos 1 hour din kami naghintay bago makapasok sa loob.
Ano po?
Nakasabit mo siya. Paano mo po ito kakainin?
And in fairness, masarap po ang food dito. Worth the time that we waited.
Hi.
Good morning everyone. Here's another beautiful morning here in Punta Cana. Going to the beach again pero magbe-breakfast muna kami. And here we are having breakfast at El Faro. Favorite namin talaga tong restaurant na to kasi beachfront siya. At bukod doon, masarap po talaga ang pagkain nila dito.
Beautiful day.
Isa sa nagustuhan ko sa resort na ito ay marami siyang cabanas at saka sunbeds. And guys, medyo maalon ang dagat ngayon.
How do you like Punta Cana? Ganda, di ba?
Kumusta naman kaya ang skin nito? Sunog na sunog na.
That's what you're making?
Always apply sunscreen lang para iwas sunburn. At yun, sa wakas, nakapag me time din. Itong spot na to ang isa sa favorite ko sa resort na to. Sarap mag-relax pag ganito kaganda ang view. And here I tried their mojito drink.
Oh no! Hurry!
At habang nagkukulitan sila sa pool, tara mag-resort tour muna tayo. Ito nga pala yung beach bar. Here you can grab the best beach cocktails and enjoy the beach. They also have snacks pag nagutom kayo. Quick access lang kasi malapit
nag-enjoy
sa
ba kayo?
beach.
Oo. Ito ah. Sweet summer thing.
And on dinner time, sama-sama na po kami dinner dito sa Italian restaurant.
Sa inyo,
Try naman natin ngayon ang Italian food.
Yun yung pinapansin. Fine. Sarap.
Doggy style lang po.
Oh, look at my starfish. My little starfish. Look. Wow. Very smart. Wow, that's amazing.
Last night namin guys, so ito, guguluhin ko muna tong mga kaibigan ko na to. Ayan, naka-impake na rin po sila guys. Siguradong mamimiss ko ang mga to, sobra. Friendship goals na namin mag-travel once a year together. At pagkatapos nga ng check-out process ay nagpunta muna kami dun sa may lunch area. Mag-heavy lunch muna kami bago ang aming flight. Ayan guys, bye-bye na. See you on our next Caribbean travel.